Hi again. Just did a few more dishes. This time I had a spike to 180. I'm down to 115 now, but I'm not over it. Oh God. That one was pretty bad. I'm very, 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 very nauseated right now. Okay. I'm clammy and shaking. I feel like the contents of an airsick bag, basically. Okay. I'm going to have to pause this and come back to it in a few minutes.